Ricoh MP2555 copier displays the message, "It's time for maintenance, call for service." So I'll check the counter first. I am curious how many copies and prints have been made. Find the icon named User Tools, and then find the counter. When I started the copier, I set a time to review every 15,000 copies, so everything is correct. With new copiers, I always set the first service call to 15,000 copies, to make sure everything is okay. Okay, so before I perform maintenance on the copier, reset the counter that generates the service call. Find the numeric keypad and enter service mode as I show. Press the appropriate key combination and enter the service menu. Select the System SP item and press it. Find and tap point 7 data log. Find a point 7804 called PM Counter Reset. Use the line or page keys to scroll through the menu. Press 7804, and then press Execute to reset the lookup counter. Exit the service mode, and your copier will no longer show a maintenance message. I cordially greet you and invite you to watch other films.